Hey, thank you guys so much for coming back to Mojave KY. So we're going to do an unboxing today. I thought it's finally nice outside, late evening here. Well, not late evening, but evening here, and thought we'd take advantage of that. It's pretty outside to do a little unboxing. So just to kind of give you an update on what you're going to see here. Obviously you probably already read the title, so you know what it is. I try not to bury the lead on the videos, but this was something that essentially came in third place when you guys voted. You voted for the E85 kit, and then the cold air intake, and then this. I got this second. So let's open this up and let's see what it looks like. All right, so let's open it up. Alright, so we got the AeroForce Interceptor gauges, and there should be a pod in there. So let's unbox this and see what it looks like. And then I'll do a separate video where we put it in the car so you can see what it looks like in the car. Alright, so it looks like when you open it up, you got a picture of, well, not a picture, you have the pod itself. Maybe if I bought a different one I'd have two things. I'm not sure, but anyway. So got the pod here, took it off this. I just unscrewed the cap and put the cap back on. Let's see what else we got in here. So if you want like a white gauge, I'll have to see. I might actually use the white gauge. And a clear, I don't know if that's just for the front. Just kind of goes maybe on the front of that to protect it. Got the ODB2 cable. So that'll go to the ODB port, which is on the driver's side underneath. I'll show you that in the install video. And then the connector to the AeroForce gauge. It looks like this kind of came undone, to be honest with you, but there's the pod itself, right? So the gauge will go in the pod, and then this will connect into the car. And you know, looks pretty OEM if you were gonna get that. It's got a little double-sided tape. Again, I think I'm gonna have to kind of work this around. So I think that's probably how that was supposed to look. Looks like we have some putty. So not really sure what the putty's for, but I guess we'll find out. And sticker. Okay, it's like another cable here. This is cool. Oops. So this looks like another front for the AeroForce gauges, and then this, I don't know. Hold on, I'm gonna get up so you can see it. Can you see that right there? Little SS on the gauges. That's pretty cool. Alright, then looks like you've got some just directions and some specifically Gen 6 Camaro directions, which is nice. So I've not looked at this at all yet, so I actually don't know how to install it. You know, I think generally I get it. We'll connect this. We'll put, you know, take this off. It looks like put this in the pod, put this onto the car and connect it somehow. And then we'll have some gauges that'll be giving me, one of the biggest things that I want is the alcohol content in the E85. So looking forward to that. All right, well, sorry you guys didn't get to see the Camaro in the garage this time. I just thought it was a nice change of pace to be outside just for the unboxing. I'll get this installed this weekend, and then I'll post up an installation video. I'm assuming it's pretty straightforward. Several of my friends have it. If you have E85, it's nice because it gives you that alcohol content. So if you know if that fuel's kind of garbage or decent, there's wide ranges, and I'll get into this in an E85 video, but there are a wide range of alcohol content in E85 from 60s to 80s, and it's E85. It's supposed to be in the 80s. All right, well, special thanks to Steve at RDP. He helped me get this ordered, got it out to me quickly. I have been talking to him for a long time, so it was very nice of him to kind of hang in there with me. I wasn't ready to buy it when I started talking to him about it, and then I didn't have the cash to get it. So with some help from the YouTube money and some of my money, we were able to grab this thing. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Really appreciate all the likes and subscribes. We are now over 1,450 subs, which is really cool. I don't know, I think that's really neat. So we're really close to 1,500. We should probably be there, I would imagine, the next couple weeks. You guys have been great about subscribing when you watch the videos. Again, ask me any questions that you have. I certainly like answering those questions. And I'll get working on this, and you get working on your modding, and I will keep modding.